So we're doing our bikes. We're at this beautiful place. What is it called?
South Chickamauga Creek. This is the South Chickamauga Creek, and going to that way, the creek goes into the river.
Oh, there's a guy on the jet ski.
Oh yeah, guy on a jet ski, two of them. And then look, if you turn around that way, it goes towards the, all the way out that way is the Tennessee River.
Yeah. And there's two people on the jet skis. Look at that. They made so much, like, the water moves so much, but it's very cool.
Go that way. Go all the way down here. Let me see.
I want to drop your phone. No, Dad, let's retake it. Let's retake it.
Let's get going.
Dad, let's retake it.
See you guys.
And then there's this North American cottontail. Getting close to it.
Stay where you're at.
Now we're gonna end the day at the Chickamauga Dam.
The train going over there. How much water it is. It's crazy.
Now that's all for today.